Method 1. Backup your disk or system. There must be some important data you want to keep on your old computer. The best choice is to clone your disk or OS. This can avoid reinstalling the Windows system and all your programs. You will have the complete same system and Windows environment on your new PC. This tool provides 2 backup plans and support all Windows for different users. Migrate OS is for users who wish only to keep a Windows system. You can transfer only the old system to another disk and boot it on the target computer. Clone disk is designed for people who want to create an exact duplicate disk on the new PC. Now I will show you the second plan. If you find it useful later, please hit the link in the description to download it. On the toolbar, choose Clone, select Clone Disk. Select the system disk as the source disk and hit Next. Select the destination disk and click Next. You can click on Settings to resize the partition. If your disk is SSD, then check 4K alignment. Click Confirm and apply, proceed. Method 2. Clear personal data. After you back up all your data safely, now it's time to clear all data from your computer, especially if you want to sell your old computer. To factory reset your old PC. In Settings, click Recovery. Click Reset PC. Choose Remove Everything to remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. Choose from Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Hit Next. Then, confirm the operation and click Reset to start it. If your PC is unbootable, you can insert the installation disk or bootable USB into the computer to achieve. If you are concerned that your personal information will be retrieved, you can completely wipe the hard disk to make the data more difficult to recover. This tool also provides 4 wiping method. Most software-based recovery programs may be avoided using the first 2 approaches. The last 2 methods take longer to deploy and are more secure since the 2 wiping methods erase a hard drive more thoroughly. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.